people in the area.
Hakapor jangka Jingethir belingkot, UMLA ke North Shillong iba Adelbert nongrum ila penpau ya ke Sngewkhia, Halor ke Jingpyntreikam ya ke Jylla mission haka Jylla. Hakaba iba Adelbert ila buru ke Jingkeli ke tenat ke Bashim ya ke Jingketli, hakaba ya dei baka rukom lum Jingtip baka rukom kmi ya ke kendon ke baya dei baka web portal. Ila ong baka Jingshisha ke ya per na ke ai ke belapen I haka online portal ke penpau ya ke long yeng long sem ke bela yo umkor. Henry bun ne ke long yeng long sem, kim shim la yo satya ya ke umkor.
This is not the first time that we all heard that this government declared such high coverage in JJM. I have been following the news, and even as recent as last week, the PHE minister has quoted similar percentage of achievement and term JJM implementation in the state as success story. Not to take away from what even the Honorable Chief Minister has proudly addressed to press and media since December and last year, that the state has surpassed the national average in providing tap water connection to households.